Once upon a time, some ninjas and Hulk were sitting on an island and they really wanted to play with some snow. And of course, everybody knows if you want snow, you have to say the secret snow rhyme. Boys and girls, do you know the secret snow rhyme?
No.
Okay, say it with me. Snow, snow,
Snow.
please come our way.
Please come our way.
Please come our way
Please come our way.
so we can play.
So we can play.
One more time. Snow, snow, please come our way. Please come our way so we can play. And with that, a magical storm started to brew.